Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the 6th episode of Ask Fiqh. Today we have two questions. The first question is it compulsory to pay zakat only in Ramadan? No, it is not compulsory to pay zakat only in the month of Ramadan. But since the reward of any good deed during the blessed month of Ramadan is increased by many times, so usually people prefer to do it in Ramadan. Otherwise, you have got the whole year to pay your zakat. The second question is, how do I calculate my zakat? Okay, so the best and the easiest way to calculate your zakat is dividing the total amount of money in your possession, including your gold, your silver, your cash money and all your business goods, by 40. So now the result which you will get after dividing this will be 2.5% of all your possessions, and that is what you have to pay.